Hey guys, my name is Ted. Hey guys, my name is Ted and welcome to your most wanted channel. So guys, today we are very privileged dahil merong nag-share sa atin ng item to be unboxed. So someone actually bought an item and dahil very supportive sa ating channel. So eto guys, we will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue color. And also later, we will be attaching the tempered glass and also try to check the case for the phone. And hope you enjoyed this guys. Please like, comment, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more updates to all my new videos. Alright guys, so let us start and voila! I decided to do unboxing in this channel because I really like this phone, but I couldn't afford it, so it's so expensive, and I haven't seen this phone in person. So when someone asked me to do unboxing in my channel, I said, why not? Let's do this! So right in front of us, we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 256 gig capacity in Pacific Blue color variant. So all the new iPhone right now has a thinner box compared before, as Apple is saying that removing some of the items inside the box reduces carbon emissions and avoid the mining and use of precious materials. We also have here the essential accessories for the new phone. We have the liquid air armor case from Spigen and of course the tempered glass. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox the phone. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so let's put this aside for now and let's unzoom the camera so you can see it clearly. So this is inside the box. So we have the lightning cable. So lightning cable to USB-C. We have here the manuals and other documents. And we also have the stickers and the SIM ejector tool. And that's it. We don't have anything else. Okay guys, let's peel off the sticker. Rinig nyo ba? Di mag-focus. Na. Daw. Yaman. I have the old iPhone and this feels the same, but the edges are now flattened. So let's boot this unit up, and while it is powering on, I'll just share some major improvements in this phone. At first glance, the most noticeable change are the flat edges of this phone. Now this model in front of us has a stainless steel. You know, it's shiny and fingerprint magnet, but if you want the matte finish one, you can have the iPhone 12. In the camera section, the wide camera now have a f1.6 aperture, which means it allows more light, especially when taking shots in low light. Specifically 27% more light as per Apple. However, the telephoto got downgraded from f2.0 to 2.2, while the ultra wide remains the same at f2.4. In the display section, The iPhone 12 Pro Max actually has the same specs from Super Retina XDR display, the PPI at 458 PPI, the True Tone display, wide colored display, haptic touch, 800 nits, maximum brightness, but the difference only is that iPhone 12 Pro Max is now at 6.7 inch compared to the 11 Pro Max at 6.5 only. So I forgot to mention that the iPhone 12 Pro Max actually has a tougher display glass, which Apple is saying that they are using ceramic shield on this. Now this material is much stronger compared to the previous models. There's a lot to discuss on the software department of this new phone, but I leave the specifications at that. If you want more details, you can check the Apple's website. And if you want me to review this unit, I need you to push that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can purchase this phone. Just kidding, since this is not my phone, so I cannot give you that review at this moment. But in any case, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be putting the link below where you can buy this case and tempered glass from Spigen, so you can purchase this one. I highly recommend this case and tempered glass so you can protect your phone anytime, anywhere. So here it is guys, our iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, until next time, see you guys. Keep safe.